Hey friends, Joey Sasaki here. I'm so happy you've decided to join the Big Brain Club, and I wanted to personally welcome you here and give you a very quick, super quick tour of like your next 3 to 5 steps, somewhat haphazardly misorganized. So let me click a magic button, this button, and boom, welcome to the Big Brain Club. So we're inside a classroom. If you click on the classroom tab and go to level 1 dead brain, this is where you should be starting, and I'll explain why as we go. But right now you're in the welcome to the Big Brain Club tab. Ignore this one for now. And all you need to do is read through this section and go and click here. And this is where you can share the essence of who you are. This is kind of our introduction post. So you'll go in here and click a little bit about you. Like for me, I help engineers, global leaders, and entrepreneurs find their way. I'm really excited to help you navigate aspects of your career that are disorienting, lacking clarity, and overall isolating, and providing like great community around you so you can get where you want to go next. So this is going to be a post for you to introduce yourself and engage with one another. Super easy, right at the bottom here. The second thing you're going to want to do is go to the Skool IFU, which is instructions for use. It comes from medtech, or any innovation. Typically things come with an instruction for use. If you expand it, there's this button called Quick Tour. Click on Quick Tour. There will be a video here, and watch that video. Those are the first 2 big steps. Welcome to the Big Brain Club. Share the essence of who you are, interact with people, and comment. Step 2, go to the Skool IFU on Quick Tour and watch that video and just go. Now, once you finish the IFU, which will take you a little bit of time for onboarding, I'd also encourage you to watch my virtual portfolio if you missed it from the landing page. You could always reach the landing page by going to About, and then there'll be an intro where I talk about the problem engineers face and how I'm trying to serve them. My virtual portfolio is also there, as well as a free class. But if we go back to the classroom, Dead Brain, virtual portfolio, the next thing you can do is unlock your dead brain, which I'll have instructions on this later in the IFU. So if you want to actually have your profile picture look like this, that's super epic. And then the final piece is go to the high quality commenting, where there'll be a video training to tell you how we're going to do commenting in this community so that it's valuable to everyone involved. Yes, we've grown up in social media forever, but we're doing things differently here. So this will be a great lesson to help you learn how to rank up within the community and grow. So overall, friends, thank you so much for taking the time to explore this community. I really hope you get the results you're looking for, and good luck as you continue to navigate the IFU and all the other content. Keep changing the world.